Do you want to know how you can add your members or your team members to your folder on Dropbox? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Programming Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add team members to your folder on Dropbox. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. The first step is to open any browser on your PC. The second step is to go to Dropbox.com. The third step is to log into your account. After you log into your account, you will see this type of interface. Now the fourth step is to click on Share on the folder which you want to share with others. So go ahead and tap on Share, and you can see that you can add your members from here, or else you can just go ahead and go inside the folder and you can see the copy link, or else you can see share folder, tap on it and click on add people over here. There are also options of copying the link or transfer a copy. Doing this, you must give access to whoever has the link can open it and access it, or else you can go to add people. So go ahead and tap on add people. Now what you need to do is write down the email address of your friend or your team member. After you do so, you can enter it and then you can share the folder which you want. So after you do this, you can see that people can edit, you can give the access of people can view or edit, and you can give the message over here. So you can do this and click on share. After you do so, this person or the team member will have total access to your folder. So to know who have access, you can see that if the person opens up your file, the person's profile will be loaded over here. So guys, this is how you add members to your Dropbox folder. Let me show it to you once again. Open the folder. After you have opened the folder, you can see the share folder option. Tap on it and then tap on add people. Now go ahead and write down the email address of the person you want to add or the team member you want to add to your folder. After you do so, you can see that there is an additional message you can send. So you can write something like, this is my folder, and you can see you can also give access to view or edit. So you can do this and click on share. After you do so, you can see that the profile will be shown over here of the people with whom you have added as your team members. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.